Assalamualaikum. Today our topic is 6 digits number. In the previous lesson we have learned about the 4 digits number and 5 digits number. Students, you want to view my all video, please subscribe my channel. Please press on subscribe red button, press on bell icon and click the all option. You will get all notification of my all videos. 6 digits number. 6 digits number. 6 digit have 6 digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 are called hundred thousands. 6 digits number have 6 digits are called 100,000. Suppose a value is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 digits. We want to place this value in their rooms. It's a 6 digits chart, flow chart of 6 digits. It's a unit U, tens write as T, 100 H, 1000 TH, 10,000 10 T, 1000 TH, 100,000 H, 1000 TH. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Unit 6, tens 9, 1, 3,000, 8, 10,000, 200,000, 283,196. Read as 280,196. 100,000 is 6 digits. Place value of 2. Place value of 2. 100,000. 100,000. 1 2 3 4 5 0. 1 2 3 4 5. Unit tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000. 100,000. Place value of 8. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Unit tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Place value of 3. 1 2 3. Unit tens, hundred, thousand. Place value of 1. 1 2. Place value of 9. 1 1 0 is placed here. Place value of 6. 6 is unit. 6 digits numbers in words. 6 digits number in words written as 283, written as 200, 200, 83, 83, thousands, 283,196. 283,196. 693,182 written as 693,182. Insert commas in 6 digits number. Starting from unit every 3 digits. Starting from unit every 3 digits, moving toward left. Starting from unit every 3 digits. Starting from unit every 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Starting from unit. Place value of circle digits. Place value of circle digits. Unit, tens, hundreds, thousand. Place value of circle digit, thousand. Place value of circle digits, 2, hundreds, tens, unit. Unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. 3, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, unit. I hope you will understand the method of 6 digit number, how to write it, how to insert comma, how to write in word, and what is the place value of circle digits. Subscribe my channel.